Hinks grow wealth with no stress. Earn interest on BTC, Ethereum, SDC, and other popular crypto assets. Buy, hold, exchange, and borrow. Start earning. Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel. So today, another opportunity in the crypto world that I want to share with you, my viewers, my subscribers. But don't forget to subscribe my small channel, Crypto Jewel, for more crypto sharing and opportunity. So I will share these things. I think this is a DEX, no? So you can earn interest up to 22%. Then you can earn in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USD, coin. Then receive your first advance payout instantly. So click create account. Okay. So 30 days 15%, 60 days 16%. So this is your earnings. Okay. But the things is I want to emphasize is they have their Telegram bot or Telegram gaming, no? So they have a farming. So Hinks.io channel has 3 million subscriber. So website is Hinks.io, main channel Telegram slash Hicks Neo. So this is the app. Hinks.io app has a 5.7 million monthly users. So we have to click the Lens app. Okay. So I will put the link in my description so that you will do the farming. No, this is farming, not just tapping, but the farming. So claim. Okay. Then start farming. Then if you want to increase your points, so do this task, no, so that you can get points, no. So this is my account. So if you earn 25% from your Byte Prince, then Wallet Connect is now available, so you can connect Solana, Tone, then more chain are coming. So to connect, go to the account tab, tap connect wallet, then choose your blockchain. So farming update, starting soon with the 9th booster. Farming time is changing to 4 hours, no more farming. So 4 hours, no. So this is then you can boost your farming, if I will pay 2 hours, no, that is a booster for farming. So this is the Hinks.io app, no. So we will wait the listing or the airdrop for this app, but for today, so this is what you can do with this app, no? Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel. Thank you.